YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the iPhone leather wallet, MagSafe. They retail for $59 a piece, so they're not that cheap, but they work with Apple's MagSafe system, so we're gonna unbox them and put them to the test. Now, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit subscribe, leave a comment, and ring that bell notification to be notified when I post another video. I ended up picking up both of these colors, but they do come in more colors, but I want to get something black and then also something brown, kind of classic wallet colors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so the unboxing is very simple. Here's the wallet right here. Looks like we only can fit a couple cards in here. Wow, this thing is tight. I'm sure it will loosen up with time, but right now the sample cards that it comes with, really tough to get out. There's kind of this little peekaboo window back here which helps you slide these sample cards out. So here it is. It is a slim black wallet. So here is the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go ahead and attach it to it. Okay. Oh, look at that. Did like a little animation. Let's do this again from the front. Kind of a cool little animation here. So the wallet does click on the back. It is just stuck to it like a magnet. Slide it off with the one thumb. It's not super tight. For it to be a wallet, I kind of wish it was a little more snug. I mean, I don't think it's going anywhere with a shake or anything like that, but at the same time, you can just easily eject it with your thumb. Not sure about that. Looking back at the wallet, it is made nicely as expected. I mean, of course, you're gonna expect Apple to make a really good looking wallet. So it does look really good. It does have this little stitching all around it, which makes it look nice. It has this little Apple logo, which, of course, Apple's going to do it because it's covering their Apple logo. Not a big fan of the logos and things like that, but it's okay. Okay, taking a look at the brown wallet, same thing. Let's give it a look. All right, I will say I think I like the brown wallet a little bit better. This brown wallet looks really good. Same deal. We'll go ahead and give it a closer look. And then we'll attach it to the iPhone 12. 4 cards can go in there, but getting them out became a very, very tough task. So I'd recommend only 3 cards. Also, if you have some of those metal cards like a Amex or even the Chase Sapphire, those cards can get stuck in the wallet too. So I would say if you have thicker cards, you might be able to only get 2 in there. But for me, I'm able to get a Sapphire, my driver's license, and my key card as well. So here's Apple's MagSafe case, and let's put the iPhone 12 Pro in here. And then we'll go ahead and put the wallet on the back of this. Let's see if it's more secure. So we have the case and we have the wallet. Same thing, just a thumb. It slides off easily. I wonder day to day when you pull it out your pocket if this case is going to like latch onto something and then the wallet will come off as well. But I can see it on in reverse, like you pull this out, you want to grab your ID out real fast, you pull this apart, grab your ID out and put it on the back too. I can definitely see it both ways, but this thing isn't on here very snug, and that does concern me a little bit because if you have your wallet and important information, I would hate for it to get knocked and it comes off or anything like that. So let's try some other third-party cases that are not MagSafe compatible, and let's see if this actually works with those. So this is the case from Nomad. This is a leather case from Nomad, and no, nothing at all. Does it? No, nothing at all. No connection at all with that. This is not a MagSafe case, it is just a standard case. But I was wondering if you still get that magnetic property using a non-MagSafe case. This one is a thinner case and it makes the sound that it's on there, but then it comes off. So it can't get through it. But it does attach to it, but you don't have any type of secure connection. So it seems like you have to have a MagSafe case, which makes sense, or on the back of the naked phone. But at the same time, I just don't know if that is secure enough that if I put it in my pocket and pull it out 100 times, will the wallet come off, or what would exactly happen in this scenario, in this situation? And I think for $60, I think that's a lot to ask for a card or a wallet that can only hold 3 or 4 cards. I wouldn't say I'm super concerned about cards coming out because it is a very tight, snug fit, and I'm sure with time it'll get better. And you do have these windows in the back where you can kind of flick your cards out, which, you know, isn't a big deal, but at the same time, as far as it sticking to the wallet, it just doesn't feel very secure, and it's something that I wouldn't be comfortable doing. Am I going to keep these? I did purchase them myself for my phones. I'm just not sure day to day if I want to put my ID in here, my credit cards in here, knowing that it's on the back of the phone and knowing that just an easy tap, it comes off. That is just something that really, really concerns me, how easy it comes off. I just want to do an unboxing and show you guys what these wallets were all about, and is it worth having? Is it worth the $60? As of right now, I'm going to say no. Anyways, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think. Is this something you're going to pick up? Is this something that you're gonna hold off on? I'd love to hear your comments. Kevin the Tech Ninja, have yourself a great day. I'll talk to you guys later.